hold your breath and feel small when the words hit hard. But why should I feel like that? Sure, it has been many doors, nowhere to find the one thing that's make me stay or feel welcome. But one thing I know for sure, where I belong isn't really up to you. More than enough, that's me. 'Cause I decide where I belong, and angels will be waiting with open arms. They say I don't belong here and closes the door, but I won't lose hope. 'Cause one day I'll be welcome home and feel like I belong. More than enough, that's me. 'Cause I decide where I belong, and angels will be waiting with open arms. So remember, more than enough, that's us. 'Cause we decide